Hello everyone, today I will talk about finding binary tree maximum path sum. Like this example, the maximum path sum is 36. The path is from 5, 3, 6, 12 to 10. The node on the path should be only passed once. Before we go through the algorithm, let's first have a look at a few examples. The first example is to look like this. We have binary tree like 1, a minus 1, 2, and 3. The maximum sum 3 is a node. The second example 1 minus 2, 3. The maximum sum is 1 plus 3. It's node plus the right subtree. The third example is look like this. The maximum subtree is 1 plus 2 plus 3. It's node plus left and right subtree. The last example look like this one. Minus 2, 4, 1, and 3. The maximum sum is minus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4. Is node 5 plus subtree 4. It's from right. Right node plus the past left node value. This value is come from the maximum of the left subnode 1 and the right subnode 3 plus the node of minus 2. From this fourth example, what we are observing are two things. First, the max sum comes from 4 choices from node plus right or from node plus left. It depends which one is bigger. And the last choice is node plus left and right. The second thing is that we only pass the maximum half subtree to the upper node. Now we are ready for solving this problem. The strategy is to calculate the maximum sum from the bottom nodes and goes up. When going up, we have to track which side of the node will be taken. So we need two variables, one for storing the maximum sum and the other for storing the past value. Let's look at this example. First, we start from node 1. Since node 1 is a leaf, so its max sum is 1, and then the past value also 1. And then we move to the node 5. Node 5 is also leaf, so the max sum is 5 and the pass value also 5. 5 is bigger than 1, so we update the max sum to 5. Then we look at the node 3. The max sum is 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. And the pass value is 3 plus 5 is 8. 9 is bigger than 5, so we update the maximum sum to 9. Then we look at the node 10. 10 is a leaf, so the max sum is 10. The pass value also 10. So next we look at the node 12. The max sum is 22. And then the pass number is 22. So 22 is bigger than 10. So we update the max sum to 22. Last, we look at the node 6. So node 6, the pass left node is 8, the pass right node value is 22. So the max sum is 8 plus 6 plus 22 is 36. And the pass value is 22 plus 6 is 28. 36 is bigger than 22. So we update the max sum with 36. That's our final answer. Okay, let's look at the code now. A recursive method is used in the code. This line is a global variable. A list is used here because it can be referred to the same object and modified without initialization inside the subfunction of a DFS recursive. In the DFS recursive subfunction, these two lines are using recursive method to find the bottom nodes and up. This line is to find the maximum sum of the current node from the 4 choices I mentioned before. The subfunction returns the passed value to the upper node. The main function calls the subfunction and returns the maximum, which is a global variable. Okay, that's all for today. See you next episode.